Positive Vibes with Simran. In this video, I am gonna share with you a whole skincare routine using just single one green tea bag. Yes guys, using just single one green tea bag, I will be sharing with you a whole skincare routine. And this skincare routine will be divided into 5 different steps. These steps are exfoliation, face pack, under eye patch, toner and moisturizer. And let me tell you guys, this video will be divided into 2 different sections. In the first half of the section, I will be telling you how to prepare these all 5 things of your skincare routine. These are face pack, toner, exfoliator or scrub, under eye patch and moisturizer. And in the later half of the video, I will be gonna demonstrate you that how to use these all things step by step in a systematic manner. So if you want to know that how to follow this skincare routine step by step using just single one green tea bag, then just watch this video till end. So without any further ado, let's get started with our video.
So firstly, soak a green tea bag in water for overnight. After that, in the morning you will observe the color of the water become yellow. Now separate the green tea bag from it and further add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into this green tea water. Now mix both the ingredients well and your DIY toner is ready to use. You can fill it in a spray bottle as I am doing. And this toner is very beneficial for oily and acne prone skin type people. Now take the same green tea bag which you have soaked overnight and cut it with the help of a scissor and remove all the green tea present inside this bag. Now we will use this green tea for preparing our other DIY ingredients. So firstly, let us prepare our DIY green tea scrub. So for this you have to take 1 whole tablespoon of green tea into a bowl, then 1 tablespoon of sugar, then further add 1 tablespoon of honey, and at last you have to add lemon rind into it. You can add lemon rind in the form of lemon zest by grating it. So after doing this process, mix all the ingredients well and your DIY green tea scrub is ready to use. Now let us prepare DIY green tea face pack. For this you have to again add 1 tablespoon of green tea into a bowl, then 1 tablespoon of yogurt, then a pinch of turmeric, then half tablespoon of honey. Then mix all the ingredients well and your DIY green tea face pack is ready to use. After that, let us prepare our under eye patches. For this you have to take a peeled potato, then cut it into 2 thin slices. As we know that potato is very rich in antioxidants and it's a very effective remedy for dark circles. So I am using potato here, but you can also use cucumber slices also. So after that, place this remaining green tea over it. You can use cucumber slices also. I am using potato here. So whatever you might find convenient, you can use that. Now all the part of our skincare routine are prepared, that is scrub, face pack, under eye patches and toner. Now let me tell you step by step how to follow this skincare routine. So the first step is a scrub or exfoliation. For this I will use the same scrub which I have just prepared. After that, start applying this DIY green tea scrub all over your face in circular motions. This green tea scrub is very beneficial for especially oily skin type people as it contains green tea in it. After massaging for about 5 minutes, wash it off with normal water. As you can see how clear my skin is looking after scrubbing with it. Now the next step is face pack. So here is the face pack which I have just prepared. I will apply this face pack with the help of a brush. You can also use your fingers to apply it. This is also an amazing face pack as it contains yogurt in it, turmeric powder, green tea and honey. So these all the ingredients are very beneficial for your face. So after that we will move forward to our third step, that is under eye patches. Now take these both the potato under eye patches. As I have told you can also use cucumber slices also. So after placing both the under eye patches on your both the eyes, lay at your back for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash it off with normal water. So now let's move forward to our fourth step, that is toner. So here is the DIY green tea toner which I have filled in the spray bottle. Spray it all over your face, or you can also apply it with the help of a cotton pad. After drying that toner, apply moisturizer. Here I am applying DIY green tea moisturizer which I have prepared in my previous video. So if you want to watch that video, then I have linked it in the description box. So here is the overall result, which you can see how beautiful, clear and glowing my skin is looking after following this whole skincare routine using just single one green tea bag.
So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. So till then, meet you next time. Take care. Bye bye.